guys, what's up? It's Kayla the Boho Babe. Make sure that you subscribe and click the notification bell to keep up with me. So in this video, I will be showing you how to do passion twists from start to finish. So as for the hair, I know a lot of you guys have been asking about it. So this is the hair. It's free tress. The hair is called Water Wave, and that's the texture that I used. Alright, so right here, we've already got some prepped hair, but I will be showing you guys how to prep the hair for this style. Alright, so this is what the hair for the passion twist looks right off the pack. It's a really pretty springy curl to it, so you're going to see how it gets that pretty texture. So when it comes to getting the hair ready for passion twist, it's really pretty simple. All you do is separate the top and bottom, so it will be just like this. This side and then this side. And this is what you should be left with. So we're still prepping. Remember, this top, bottom really quick. You shouldn't be tangling the hair, just really quick. Okay. Alright, so this should be your hair after it's all prepped, fluffy, and ready for a passion twist. That's the first step to starting passion twist. So we've already got the back of the client's hair done. We've already started our passion twist. And we've got this front side section already pre-parted and ready to just go and twist. So this is what it should look like right before you start twisting. Now, I'm going to take a little edge control just to help us secure the twist on. So you can put it either right here, separate them. Take one side, hold it tight. So you just wrap down and you pull up. And this is just to help it stay nice and secure. So you twist down, twist down. So you're twisting down a little bit and then just kind of pulling.